Hello to all my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today. Basically, we do have a unboxing, a small one today, of a product I had to buy for my phone. Me and my sisters basically went out shopping, just shop for a little bit and just get out of the house once in a while, should I say. And I had a good time looking around. And by the way, I did not buy new headphones, should I say, because Apple wanted $30 for just the lightning pair of headphones for my new iPhone. And by the way, thank you Apple for getting rid of the headphone jack, because now I don't have any options to use my old headphones with my new phone. I do appreciate that. Oh, you had two choices. I could have bought high quality and Bluetooth headphones or the $30 lightning headphones. But here's the thing. Here's my old phone. Okay, this is something I kind of miss on the newer phone. If the camera will focus. Is basically the headphone jack. Like, really? Because here's the thing. My camcorder has a headphone jack. My new Samsung tablet has a headphone jack. And in this little bag from Walmart, I spent $9 for a converter for my new phone. Just to use my old Apple headphones. Thank you so much, Apple. I do appreciate that. And it's nothing wrong with the old headphone jacks. And I know a lot of you are going to say, Chris, the headphone jacks are ancient, they're old. We want something new and better. Well, you know what? If it's not broke, don't fix it. Here's what I had to buy for $9. Okay. And I bet you 10 to 1, these are made in China. Like everything else is. Kind of interesting. They're not. They're made somewhere else. If the camera will focus. But yeah, I really appreciate that. Go ahead. Open it. I actually pulled off the tab. And let's take a look. And of course, it does come with your limited warranty guide and some more instructions for it. We don't need any of that. And here's what it looks like. Very tiny and very small. Let's see, can I get this out of here without breaking it? That little device I have to use just to use my old headphone jacks and my old headphones. Just this little device, $9 from Walmart. Like, ridiculous. But alright, if you guys enjoy this this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day. Catch you later in the next one.